Dude, we got dual sports. This guy rode his bike to the track and now he's on the track with it. Check that out. I think that said XR. I didn't know Honda still made XRs like street legal like that. That's cool. Oh, see, I can do the jump. I don't know why. Can't make that freaking corner. That's what I'm talking about. That YZ revs out so far. Love that feeling. Aw, man. Come on. I'm trying to keep up with my buddy B-Rad here on the YZ250F. He's too fast, dude. Brad loves to, he loves to like slide and drift around the corners. You don't want to be sliding off the jump faces. Hit it, Brad, hit it, you got it. Got to catch up right there. Holy ruts. Yeah, so we bought a new camera. Hopefully my quality is much better. I know I had a pretty good camera quality before, but this new camera has some awesome features and I'm hoping that it looks even better than it used to. Braking bumps forming there, man. Sort of got some lines in some of the corners now. I just got to get the hang of them. I suck at ruts, dude. Really hoping that the quality on this thing is better. We got some harsh lighting conditions right now, so I'm curious to see just how good it looks. Hopefully it looks good. Let me know if it looks good. I gotta say, I really like the stability feeling of the KX. It feels like it goes straight as an arrow. Dang, it pulled the front wheel up like a boss. Hey now, let's see what those forks feel like. Look at that KX pulling on that Yamaha. Get out of here, YZ250. Oh my god, those bumps are gnarly. Can't see the line. There's like shadows in front of all the berms. Dude, this thing rips up top. Holy hell. Definitely feels stiffer and harsher, but like I said, this thing feels so much more stable. Like, it just wants to go straight as an arrow. Dude, it stays way straighter in the braking bumps. Got a little bit of head shake there. That was a very brief short test ride on this track. I don't know if I'm going to include this in my YZ video. Hope you guys enjoyed it.
Going green again.
Going green. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Peace.